like we earlier discussed concerning skirt, we said the measurement needed for skirt is your waist measurement, your hip measurement, and the length of the skirt. So we'll be starting with the waist measurement, the hip measurement, and the length of the skirt. So here's our tape starting from 1. We put it here at the edge of the material to the length of the skirt, which is 27. We take our length to be 27 plus 2 inches, which is 29. Then for your measurement, if you are taking a hip, if you are taking your waist to hip, to get your hip measurement, you put your tape at 9, which is high waist skirt. High waist skirt from 9. And for a low waist skirt, you can take it from 8. So I'm putting it from 9. 9. This is where I will take my hip, my waist at the edge. So if I'm calculating my hip measurement now, hip is 39, approximately 40. I divide by 4, which is 10. 10 inches plus 2 inches sewing allowance, which is 12. That's what I'll be using to fold the material, 12 inches, to avoid wastage of fabric. I'm folding with 12 inches. 10 inches your normal measurement, 2 inches your sewing allowance. This is 12. This will give me my hip measurement. Then waist also 28 into 4. If you do 28 into 2, gives you 14. Then into 2, 14 gives you 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9. So we go to that place. We are going to eccentric it. So we'll merge. We'll connect our lines from the waist to the hip. I'll connect my lines now from the waist to the hip. You can use a ruler curve if you have it. Then since a versus skirt, here is the waist measurement 12. I don't want to use it 12. If I use 12, that means it's a straight skirt. So that means I will minus my allowance, the allowance that I added to the hip measurement. I will move it, making it 10. From your hip to the length of the skirt, just connect it. That's your pencil skirt. Simple as it is, your pencil skirt is set. Part. So we're going to be cutting our back part. So what I did is that I placed the front on a folded cloth in 2. And there's an allowance. There's an allowance that I left here. That was left here. Look at it. Start again, please. So here now we'll be cutting our lining for the skirt. To cut your lining, you need to fold your material, your lining in 2. Then place your cloth that you have. Place your cloth. Then mark it at the end part. And the end part, you might decide to minus, to remove 1 or 2 inches and the lining so it should flip over to avoid your lining from coming out. Like this, we'll be using 1.5 to cut this. 1.5 will be enough to cut this. Through the front part. Yeah, this part we are finished joining the back and the front with their lining. So decided to iron their clothes. We mark out the zip allowance. Look at it there. We are trying to mark out the zip allowance to fix the zip. This is the placing of the zip. We took the ending of the zip at that part. I think it's giving us 8. And as you can see, look at the up part. I left allowance there because I'm not going to fix the band at the zip edge. The first side is smaller, then we took the other side bigger to cover the smaller part so that the zip will not be showing. We have different methods of fixing zip, but I prefer this part for a skirt zip since there is band on it. At times, because I will teach you different pattern of fixing a skirt zip. There's invisible zip, there's bigger zip, there's jeans zip, so different patterns. So watch this part. If you're using an ordinary zip, this is the best method for fixing a straight skirt. Sure. The next part is our dart. We added the dart to the front and back of the skirt to create a fitted silhouette. With that pattern, with that on your skirt, it gives you this fitted look that will grip your waist and shaping your hip part. I'm using the measurement of 5 to get my dart. I've already taken the wideness, which is about 4. Just be watching. I'm taking you through step by step. To ensure a neat finishing, I will teach you how to subtract by taking a proper measurement while joining the skirt. Okay, my own method of joining a skirt. What we'll do, we took the measurement, the full measurement by subtracting. We took the full measurement of the skirt by subtracting this person's measurement on it. Now we are through with it. Now we're fixing the band. I took the band measurement 4 by length of the waist, and also added an allowance to it. Also added 2 inches allowance to the waistband. Now I'm fixing it at the waist of the skirt. At the back part. Then we'll flip over to the front. It's a process. I don't want to hurry this video. I want you to take your time. Watch while we sew this skirt. The beginner friendly. When you are teaching a beginner, you don't rush to it. If I did this video, you will not see what I'm doing, so I don't want to edit it full. So you see the process. So guys, we finished running the back. Now we are doing the front band. We are through. So guys, your skirt is ready.